Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and this is Ron again from wahpinas.com, and today we're doing a quick unboxing of the Atmos Fit Vitali. Okay, we bought this from Shopee a couple of days ago, from Kim Store. Okay, so first time to buy from Kim Store, but I've known about Kim Store for very long. Okay, so there's three variants: the black, the grayscale, and the pink. What I got is the grayscale. So here's the box, as you can see. It was in a bubble wrap when it got here. It's supposed to be able to track your steps and distance tracking, heart rate monitor, sleep monitoring. They have a new app. It works on Android and iOS. Clip charging, waterproof and anti-dust protection, full color display, and impeccable industrial design. Offhand, it looks like the Apple Watch. We're gonna compare it later when I get my wife's watch. Okay. But at first glance, the way I see it, it looks like it resembles the Apple Watch. So I'm gonna open it up now. So here's the charging clip. It's a USB connector, and there's a clip. Okay. Looks familiar. Looks like I have something like that. Looks like the same. Okay, so, and that's the watch itself. That's it. That's the only two things inside the box. Okay, not sure if there's a manual. It's heavy compared to the Huawei watch, which is so light. Okay, so it has film protection. So let's see if it's gonna turn on. Not turning on. Okay, so as you can see, there's the sensor in the back, and there's the two clips for when you're gonna charge it. Okay, and there's looks like these are the clips so that you can remove. Yeah, it moves the strap. Okay, we're gonna do that later. I'm gonna try and see if it's gonna charge, because it's not turning on. So we're gonna charge it with our trusty power bank here, the Jaguar power bank. I've had this for about a couple of years already. So there you can see it turned on, and it says it's 0%. So we need to charge it first, and then we'll come back in a little while. So hi guys, we've been able to charge it with some batteries already. Okay, so for a couple of minutes. So here's the Apple Watch of my wife, and here's the Atmos Fit Vitali. So kinda looks the same, right? So a little bit. Okay, so but that's why I bought it. So looks like the LCD is big. So it, as you can see here, steps counter, distance, total kilocalories burned, long press to measure, heartbeat beats per minute, so there's heartbeat monitoring, and exercise model, sleep monitoring. You're supposed to be able to see your messages, find my phone, stopwatch, the settings. Okay, we'll go inside the settings. Okay, brightness, factory reset, settings, shutdown. Okay, so we're gonna try to pair it right now and see how big the text is when you get notifications. My concern with this one, out of all the smartwatches we've tried, the Huawei Band, I think this is the 4 or 5, has the clearest text within the LCD. So this looks like it has a bigger LCD. We're gonna test it and see exactly how it looks. If this looks good, this is what we're gonna be using starting today. So we're gonna stop, and then we'll start again once we've been able to download the app. So we have the app now. So as you can see, there's the basic things that you need to approve. So wahpinas, okay. Mail. So we're gonna put the birthday. I'm gonna remove it first. So once you've been able to put everything in, you just need to finish all the settings, and then approve the notifications. Okay, accept. Okay, then go back and then search for my Atmos Fit Vitali Plus. Okay, only when in use. It's already there, so we're connecting it right now, and it's vibrating. So click to pair. Okay, so it's there. So we're gonna wait for someone to message us to see if it turns on. So as you can see, it's working here. Put it down, then send me a message again. So as you can see there, looks like the messages can be easily seen. I can see that there is a test message. So looks good. So we're gonna try it out for the next couple of days and let you know. The only drawback that I can see, it's saying hello. Okay. So the only thing I can see that's a minus for this one is it's not a touchscreen. See, nothing works. So that's it. Thanks guys. Bye.